guy was behind, like, well, to the side of me. He didn't hit me. The traps were falling down by the stairs.
Yeah.
Presuming that the traps were falling the entire route.
Yeah, just press start recording again.
Yeah, go for it.
So we're back again.
We're back.
Technically we never left.
Backity back.
But in terms of YouTube we left. In the future. Or, well, this would be in the past, but we're talking to the future. Oh, my head.
You've just created a paradox.
Did I? I didn't even know. Fuck time travel. Leave that to the Time Lords.
I want to let that guy out.
I have a feeling he's going to break out anyway. It just seems like something he'd do. He seems quite passionate about it.
That's just weird. Checkpoints activate, but I already pick up all the stuff I've got. Oh yeah, I've got a shotgun ammo then. And I bet you it's out of ammo. Oh no, it's still ammo.
So what time do you reckon we'll be finished today? Ape wishes to know.
Who?
Ape.
Ah, okay. I don't know, why? Is that because she wants to watch, or?
Well, I'm going back to hers,
Oh,
so...
okay. Oh, we can be done by 8. That's what she finishes, right?
Yeah, finish at 8. Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit, better find cover.
What? There's a fucking door in the way!
Pardon me.
Weird. So no one's gonna come out? Yeah, he took a shot at me. Through a door, I might add. Hello? And those guys are dead. Alright, this time don't pull the traps because this won't alert them. Ah, shit. Beep 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 beep.
Boomstick.
This is my boomstick.
Oh, jeez, that's awesome.
It makes things go boom.
And turn into raspberry jam. You sure you want to stick your head anywhere near there? Something's making a racket.
Great. There's gotta be something that'll get through this. Maybe a chainsaw or something.
Oh, it's one of those. I know exactly what it wants you to do. wants you to release Pigman, get him to chase you, you get him to chase
I'm not even sure how to release Pigman.
via witchcraft. Whoa! Bastard.
Did he take a shot at me?
Yeah.
Oh, holy fuck!
I think you released Pigman.
I didn't even do anything!
Oh dear.
Welcome to hell!
Oh, that's funny.
What's up, bitch? Whoa! Go, Pigman, go!
Oh, hi-oh.
Okay, I'm unsure on how this situation works then, because he went through the chain to hit me. Do I need to kill him to get the chainsaw?
I think that's a possibility, actually.
It's nice when it gives us some form of expa-fucking-nation.
This game has given no explanation, really. You know, what the hell is going on?
Oh, it will give us that explanation. It's
Will
called
it?
Storytelling.
Will it? Maybe it's like... No. No. Interpret it yourself.
Oh, you're born in your mother's arse. Stop putting me back here.
I came here to fuck bitches and fight crime. And there ain't no crime.
How did he get out, and why is the chainsaw right next to him?
I don't know.
It does not make sense. So I have to go all the way down here, examine the chain, just so it tells me, I can't get through this, maybe a chainsaw. Then go back there, release him.
Yeah. And then kill the bastard.
Yeah. So I'm just going to kill all these people first, because, you know.
One by one.
Because I don't get how you're supposed to sneak past them and get to the chain like it wanted us to.
Yeah.
As soon as I came in here last time, it alerted them. See? You're right. Dead now.
Oh, you got a torch. That could be very useful.
Do you want the torch?
What the piss?
They're knocking down the door.
Great. There's gotta
Chainsaw.
be something that'll get through this. Maybe a chainsaw or something.
Anyone seen a chainsaw around these parts?
Where on earth would I ever find a chainsaw? I wonder.
Man, this guy has fucking no stamina.
I think you can upgrade it. At least I
Picked
hope
up
so.
a fucking axe though. Come on. Oh God. If I have to play this game with every one of you, I will. Oh, so tired. Oh. Why do I get Pigman in all of my bloody chapters?
Don't ask me. Mainly because I probably wouldn't be able to deal with him. Because I'll freak out.
Gotta take this guy down fast.
But I'll tell you what though.
Oh, there you go. He gave us some insight on how to do this. I need to take him down.
Out of ammo.
T-1000. Fuck off, you bitch. Whoa! Ass bag. Oh! Turned into a banana. Ah, itchy back. Brrr.
Out of ammo.
Ow. Haven't seen Pigman. There he is. He comes inside as well.
Yeah, he does.
Because he's a fucking idiot.
Oh, come on.
Squeal, piggy! Squeal!
No, don't even do this to me.
That's quite funny. Ah, I think that pissed him off enough. Well, buckalugs.
Fuck you.
Go around, try again.
Oh, come on. No, come on. Fuck off.
Oof! Jeez. Go, 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 go. Well, you've got enough time to...
Fuck you, it's impossible to see where that fucking guy is.
Nice, nice gentle jog. Nice, nice gentle jog.
See, and then he's nowhere near it.
I think you just got to time it. unfortunately.
And you break line of sight and you lose him.
And then fuck knows where he is. There has to be an easier way.
Oh, there he is.
You alright, mate? He didn't see you.
Fucking do with that though. Sweet. When I find this fucking crossbow, I'll fucking use it.
Oh yeah, you hit him. Yes.
Fucking hell for that.
Nice. And you got the chainsaw. So it's definitely what you were supposed to do. Tell you what we should totally do though.
Have a break.
Yeah, we could have a break and oops.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, we totally should have.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't the most skillfully done that I've ever, you know. Did I even pick the fucking chainsaw up?
Haven't got much money, but fuck it.
Where is the fucking chainsaw?
Oh no. No, 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 no.
Oh, okay. He puts the chainsaw in his pocket.
Oh, right, okay, yes.
Well, glad that was fucking useful. Let's throw it on the floor and leave.
Wait! Over here!
Cheers,
Wait,
Doc. You were fucking
officer.
useful.
You must take me with you.
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
It is imperative.
No.
Okay, thank you whoever Renegade is for following us on Twitch.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
I think that's Ginger Thunder.
Is that?
Yeah, it's his Snapchat name, isn't it?
Ah.
Well.
Oh, what
No,
else?
no, no,
What?
no, 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 no,
Everybody?
no, no, no. His Snapchat name's a little bit different.
Ah, okay.
So good luck, bastards.
Right. You're gonna run away for a smoke and then